Friends, come with us on our new adventure to a wonderful spot in Baguio City, the Bell Church. The Bell Church in Baguio City is a Chinese temple of the Chinese Filipino indigenous religious organization of the same name. It was founded on August 4, 1960 in Mountain Province of Benguet, by Cantonese Chinese immigrants from Canton, Nang Pi. They were devotees of the Buddhist monk Ji Gong. In 1954, Nang Pi first preached in a dining hall of a restaurant. Due to increasing number of devotees, he transferred the place of worship to his residence along the 6-kilometer inland Trinidad. The Chinese Buddhist temple membership is composed of primarily ethnic Chinese farmers. In 1960s, membership continued to grow and the temple had to move again to its present location, and since then become known as the Bell Church. With support from the local Chinese community, the house in the current location was converted to a temple. The bell of the Bell Church was used to warn the local community regarding calamities. It has also been promoted as a tourist site by both the local government of La Trinidad and internationally. It was recognized in 1970 as a major tourist destination by Tourism Minister Jose Aspiras. The temple has also served as the filming locations for feature films from the 1970s to the 1990s. Many of these films were local kung fu films, and some were romantic films. The Bell Church is a popular tourist destination in Baguio City. It is known for its beautiful Chinese architecture and its colorful gardens. The temple is also a place of worship for many Chinese Filipinos. Here are some interesting facts about the Bell Church. The bell of the Bell Church is said to be able to ward off evil spirits. The temple is home to a number of sacred statues, including one of monk Ji Gong. The gardens of the Bell Church are filled with flowers and plants, many of which have symbolic meaning in Chinese culture. The Bell Church is a popular spot for weddings and other special events. If you are visiting Baguio City, be sure to add the Bell Church to your itinerary. It is a beautiful and peaceful place to visit, and you may even learn a thing or two about Chinese culture. Please enjoy the whole video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share.
taas ke atas.